Dang, that's a big nail. You need a kit like this. Simple. Pull the nail out or the screw out. Make sure you're next to a gas station where you can get some air first, right? Then you get a kit like this. So you take your kit, take one of these things. So you want to stick that in and stick it out and just pull it in, push it in and push it out. Okay. You're gonna stick it all the way in and out, in and out. Okay, so push it right in there. Okay, now pump the tire. You're done. That's simple. Fill the tire back up, right? Drive around on it, see if it holds air. This works real well. Then cut the excess off. You know, use your knife or whatever, just cut the rest off. Okay, and you'll have a brand new tire without having to buy a new tire. Thanks for watching. Good luck.